Haringkat Barkari Barok Kawai ka Directorate of Civil Defence and Home Guards. Haka nyotrik jemang kala penlong ya ka mock drill habarok Kawai ke Jylla. Kumshi benta ka jingpynkreh ya ka jinghiar thma da ki liengsuin ne air raid ha Meghalaya. Ka Directorate of Civil Defence and Home Guards kala penlong ya ka nika exercise kat kum ka jingbetha ka Ministry of Home Affairs ya barok ki Jylla hakari ban yada na ki nongshun bat ban shim ki lat jingya da pajba kata ka blackout bat ka jingya rap ki pajba. Ha Meghalaya ya ka civil defense exercise lapan long habarok ki Khat Ar district da ka bapan le jimut kerpang ya ki Lightly ki district kata ka East Khasi Hills, West Giant Hills but West Garo Hills. Kani ka exercise kala sedang saw beje janmir bat ha kapon riu aku pra beje janmir lapan sawa ya ka siren air raid siren ka balapan sawa habarok ka Jylla ka bane arminit ban pen I ya ka jingwan hiat majong ki liengsuin nongshun. Hakapon riu lai po beje janmit lajan baro kawai ke Jylla kala syong ha ka jingdum blackout namar ka jingpelip ya ka boarding. Ya ka nika exercise la penlong ban pentik naru ya ka jingpynkreh ka civil defense ha Jylla lada jabawan ka thma ong UMK sangma joint director of civil defense upakran shikilat patai kubor shwa ka nika exercise bat benra bakum ka nika exercise la le ningkong ya haus nyam khat khandai spa nyopui.
We need to let the people know what this mock drill is about. Though we have a very short time, we have to conduct all this mock drill. We get to know about this plan only day before, at night. And in the morning, 10:45, we had a VC meeting with the MHA, Principal Secretary Sir Frederick Agrumar, and Secretary Home Cyril Dengdo, then RCG Mukesh Singh, IG, then me, and then Joint CG. We all attended the VC, and then we had a meeting, brief meeting, and after that we again have a meeting chaired by Principal Secretary. After that we have to do certain planning for the mock drill, and it took little time for us actually to do planning. Unless and until we have a plan, we will not be able to tell the public also. That's why we took time, and so today we will be conducting the mock drill at we'll start from 4 o'clock, and then 6:30 we'll have a sounding of siren, and then we'll have the blackout exercise also. And it'll be very difficult for us to tell each and every individuals to switch off their lights in a very short time, and then participate in the blackout exercise. That's why we have decided in a meeting with the Principal Secretary that we will request the MECL to cooperate with us, and they have when you request, they also cooperate with us, and then they are ready to initially we plan to black out the entire state, but then they also have some technical problems. That's why they requested what if we just do the blackout shutdown only in Shillong, Jowai and Dura. So is there technical problem, so we can't interfere. So we have this agreed, and then the sounding of siren will be there in all the districts where it is installed. We have got 12 districts, but then we cannot install it in all the districts because some are not categorized yet. Only out of 12, 7 are categorized, 5 are not categorized yet. So we have tried to install actually sirens in the 7 districts, but 5 districts we have not installed yet. But I think some technical problem is there. But wherever it is functional, wherever it is working, we will do our best to sound the siren. Shillong, of course, we'll do it. Dura and all will do it. Jowai also. Then we will sound the siren actually in 2 ways. Number one is the warning siren. There's a fluctuation, sound for 2 minutes. It'll be sounded. Then followed by blackout for 2 minutes. And when the blackout is over, we'll sound the siren again. That is one stretch sound for 1 minute. That means it's a all clear sound. That means you are safe to come out. Warning means air raid is coming. That means you have to hide yourself, cover yourself. If you have a bunker, go to the bunker. If you are inside the house, like safe house, they're supposed to go inside and do dropped, and then cover your ears and stuff like that. And then once you have the all clear siren, you're supposed to come out. So that all clear siren will also demolish the whole exercise, the mock drill exercise. That means that we will conclude the mock drill exercise as well. Of course, we must be having, but I think we have to dig the all files. But I still remember earlier those days, like we used to dig the trench and all. I used to hear from my bosses and my ex-bosses. They used to dig the trench, and we have wardens in Tura, and they're very old. And but he expired now. One of our chief warden. He used to tell stories, but he's also a civil defense volunteer. He even went for training in Nagpur in civil defense college. So he used to tell us that those days they used to dig the trench, they used to give training how to dig the trench and how to hide when the bomb is dropped, what they are supposed to do. All this training was given. The second phase is coming. We'll be giving training to the citizens, to the school students, to everybody in the later stage on how to dig the trench and how to cover themselves. But like we are doing it in a very short time. Actually, we receive the information also just day before at night only, and then we had a series of meeting yesterday, and we have to do the planning. So we cannot look into all this now. So, but training will be coming later on in the second phase. Really, a civil defense exercise. So we are limiting only for this is basically just to check our machineries. Our machineries in the sense like civil defense machineries only. We already had a set up existing machineries. Like we have a warden service, we have sirens, we have other machineries. We are just checking the QR team. We are just checking how where I know there'll be many shortfalls, and we have to learn from these shortfalls. And this is a time to learn. And we haven't had a war for many years, and we forgot about all these things. We forgot about trench, we forgot about air raids, we forgot about what actually happened in 1971. So this is basically just to test our capabilities, civil defense capabilities. So that's why we are not involving everybody right now. But in the second phase, we'll be having a full scale mock drill, which will involve police, which will involve fire service, which will involve PWD, which will involve medical. All stakeholders will be involved. We'll have I think statewide mock drill again.